Moving on, Bihar has been a consistent underperformer when it comes to multiple socio-economic growth parameters when compared to the national average. Inflation is one of these. According to government's data, Bihar saw an inflation rate of 5.2% in April 24, higher than the national average of 4.83%. Santya Gora finds out that this high cost of living has not just left the people of Bihar frustrated and angry, it has become one of the key factors influencing how people vote.
38-year-old Priyanka Kumari is a homemaker in a middle-class family of 3 in Ara, 50 kilometers from Patna. But with the cost of living rising much faster than her husband's income, Priyanka sees managing the household is becoming increasingly difficult. Priyanka says inflation is increasingly becoming a factor that will carry weight when it comes to these elections, not just for her, but in her peer group.
महंगाई मुद्दा तो सबसे पहले होगा, सारे गृहिणियों के लिए होगा। सबसे पहले महंगाई मुद्दा होगा कि नहीं भाई, महंगाई तो कम होना चाहिए। जैसे गैस सिलेंडर का दाम इतना बढ़ा हुआ है, चाहे और भी कुछ बिजली बिल ले लीजिए, वो भी इतना बढ़ गया है। हर चीज पर तो महंगाई पूरा हो गया है। सामान कम हो गया है, अब पैसा ज्यादा हो गया है।
The rising cost of living, which is higher in Bihar than the national average, is weighing on the minds of voters from other socio-economic groups as well.
सरकार खुद महंगाई बता रही है। अगर महंगाई नहीं होती तो पेंशन बंद करते हैं। विधायकों की पेंशन चालू है, एमएलए की पेंशन चालू है, लेकिन जो 40 साल नौकरी करता है उसकी पेंशन खत्म है।
किसान लोग को महंगाई का क्या स्थिति है वो किसी किसान से बेहतर आप नहीं जान सकते हैं। एक धान बेच के, एक गेहूं बेच के लड़का लोग को पढ़ाते हैं।
एक कमाता था 10 खाता था, आज के डेट में 10 कमाते और एक का नहीं हो पा रहा है।
The opposition has been quick to latch on to this factor and believes the ruling BJP and JDU's failure to arrest rising prices will cost them their government.
People have been asking questions for 10 years what we have done for Bihar. We have only cheated, we have only promised, but we have not delivered anything. Nothing. 0. Out of 100 they get marks 0.
But NDA blames older governments in the state for the fact that the state is an underperformer on most key economic metrics, inflation included.
आप समझ लीजिए, क्योंकि लालू जी ने पूरा डंप कर दिया था, क्योंकि वो चीफ मिनिस्टर बनने के बाद राजा हो गए, तो हम डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हैं। अभी तो डेवलपमेंट मेरा पूरा ही नहीं हुआ है।
The National Democratic Alliance has gone campaigning saying it will fix these problems if it is given a few more years. But many people we spoke to were not fully convinced with this argument. They pointed out that BJP's ally Nitish Kumar has been chief minister since 2005 and his policies have not turned the tide.
जिस समय हम लोग कांग्रेस को हटाकर इनको लाए थे कि कुछ होगा, लेकिन ये कुछ नहीं बदलाव किए। ये खाली भाषण देते रह गए, कुछ ही नहीं किया। अभी जो कर रहे हैं कुछ नहीं करेगा, अग्निवीर हटाएंगे, महंगाई कम करेंगे, कुछ नहीं, खाली राम मंदिर ये कर रहे हैं। इस पर वोट चलेगा मैडम?
ना, कोई भरोसा नहीं है। कितने बार देख लिया गया, लोग झूठा वादा करते हैं वोट लेने के लिए सिर्फ, इसके बाद कुछ नहीं।
Rising unemployment, the restrictive rules in the Agniveer scheme and corruption are not the only pain points voters are enumerating ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. They say rising inflation is making lives difficult, especially when compounded by rising unemployment and falling household incomes. This, they say, easily makes it one of the key factors that could determine how they vote on the polling day. Experts, however, say that while these issues could play a role, voting patterns will still largely be influenced by the caste factor. In Patna, with camera person Swapnil Bandekar, this is Santya for CNBC TV18.
And with that, it's a wrap on this edition of Election Exchange. More news and updates continue right here.